the birds ever feel shy? Do they ever sit still and wonder why? Do they feel overwhelmed or intimidated by the elements that surround them? They chirp as if nothing bothers them, even when they sound heard. Then when they get silent and come to a gentle rest from their busied movement, they stare comfortably as if they know something. Their eyes light up as though they are smiling. Life as a bird must be challenging. Building a nest cannot be easy. Yet they do it without complaining. Twig by twig, slowly weaving. The swallow builds her nest close to God, a place where she can have her young. At his altar, there she dwells, a place where she calls home. In God's presence, the future is cared for. This the swallow knows. She finds safety in God's presence. So the story goes.